This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I will show how you can mount this little camera on the accessories it comes with. So let's begin by this little clip, which is supposed to go on your hat or baseball hat, or pretty much anywhere else where you can clip it using this, clip. So take the camera, make sure to take it out of its action box, then orient it in accordance with the instructions here and snap it right in. It gets connected to a magnet and stays pretty solidly, if you ask me, since this little action camera has very strong magnets. Now let's look at this another clip that you can also mount or put on your shirt, perhaps. So simply take out this protective film. I will not do that, but you should. And also snap it right into its place, thanks to strong and reliable magnets. Now let's also learn how to use this stuff, which is pretty much a tripod, or not a tripod, but just a stand for it. So this accessory you should use with the, how this thing is properly called, give me a second here, because I've unfortunately forgot, so I will be referring to it correctly. Action pod, sure. Yep, so start by screwing the abrasive sticker into this action pod, like that. Then return camera to its action pod. Underneath the action pod you have those connectors, which you need to, clip and also insert. As you can see, the camera is mounted, or the action pod is mounted successfully. And now all that is left to do is for you to remove this protective film and stick it to, whatever surface you want it to be stick to. As you can see, this little stand you can also rotate, move around, or put at an angle. And before I finish, in order to take it out or take it away from the stand, press those two buttons on the sides and then remove it like that. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.